That's alright, I'm taking a video while I'm talking to you. Come on, Sarah, come over here. It's to the car. Yeah, you should. Look at Leia walking. Oh my gosh. I know you will. Hold on one second, I'm almost done. That's her airplane. Here, turn your airplane some, Sarah. There you go. Bye-bye. 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 See you later. Bye-bye, Leia.
Stop, Mommy.
Well, steer it so you're not stuck. You really are. Thank God. Doing much better.